Hello, Gym Rocks. Thank you for watching this video. I am doing my first chemical peel and we give it to you step by step so you know what to expect from this treatment. Giving the spotlight to Skin Script's 20% lactic acid lightening peel, I would like to introduce to you all this beautiful queen, Precious, who will be my model today. Precious is a healthcare professional. She has combination skin type, mostly normal skin type, beautiful skin tone, elasticity, plumpness, and resilience, but she experiences dry skin due to the work environment, and I'm sure she wants all the hydration she can get to keep her skin looking radiant. And lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid chemical peel that is great for hydrating and gently exfoliating the skin. Lactic acid can be a softer option, making it excellent choice for people with sensitive skin. And while Skin Script lactic acid lightening peel is generally considered gentle and suitable for many skin types, it is not appropriate for everyone. So there are esties out there who never done a chemical peel before. You can get an understanding of its protocol by watching this video. And if you're thinking about receiving this treatment, SkinScript recommends performing this in a series of 4 to 6 peels spaced 1 week apart. So there is little to no downtime for this peel. Now, if you watch this until the end, then you will gain knowledge of the post care. So be nice and kindly place your comments in the comment section and be a good sport and give this video a thumbs up if you think it deserves it. So now let's get into it. I'll be using the Skin Script Pomegranate Cleanser as my primary cleanser. It's a creamy cleanser to boost hydration, great for normal to dry skin types and even sensitive skin types. It's a wide array of antioxidants, nutritional elements, and oils to restore the skin. And the key ingredients are aloe vera juice to soothe and calm redness and inflammation, jojoba seed oil for conditioning and moisture barrier enhancement, safflower oil which is high omega-6, good for skin smoothing and skin moisture enhancement, hyaluronic acid as well, which prevents trans-epidermal water loss, plumping the skin tissue, and grapeseed that has extensive antioxidant capabilities to improve the efficacy of other active ingredients. So you just want to gently massage in the cleanser and then remove this with the sponges or facial mittens. So the contraindications for a lactic acid peel is hypersensitivity, severely dry or dehydrated skin, or any recent use of certain medications like Accutane or Retinol, pregnancy, breastfeeding, open wounds, and active herpes breakout. Conditions like eczema or rosacea may exacerbate by peels, and certain medications, including some antibiotics and steroids, can increase skin sensitivity. So a consultation is crucial to assess individual suitability. Some clients may begin with a fruit enzyme treatment such as pineapple, papaya, or a pumpkin to help prepare the skin for a more intense peel like lactic acid. And this creates a smoother canvas for the lactic acid peel to penetrate more evenly. Our second cleanser I will be using is Skin Script's award-winning Glycolic foaming cleanser infused with alpha hydroxy acids such as malic acid that promotes cellular growth, and Retinol and tartaric acid that is derived from grapes that encourages exfoliation and cellular renewal. It renews the skin by removing uppermost layer of dead skin cells to reveal a bright, smooth skin surface. Alpha arbutin is a non-irritating skin brightener, and this cleanser is not recommended for sensitive or rosacea skin. So Glycolic Cleanser is not designed to be a primary cleanser because it provides exfoliating action, and you always want to use sunscreen when using this product. So inform your clients that itching and purging may occur when using this cleanser. Glycolic Acid contains 17% glycolic acid, which is the primary active ingredient, so it can be strong for some clients. SkinScript recommends leaving cleanser on the skin for 30 to 45 seconds for the best results to break down oil and encourage cellular turnover. Then remove completely with water. Now time to prepare for the Lactic Lightening Peel. You must degrease the skin, meaning removing the excess oil and impurities from the skin surface with SkinScript's glycolic and retinol pad to support pigmentation suppression. Or you can degrease the skin with 70% isopropyl alcohol. So degreasing is not toning. So degreasing removes the barrier. If this step is skipped, then you're preventing the lactic acid from reaching the deeper layers of the skin where it needs to work. We disturb the acid mantle for a little to ensure great penetration with the chemical peel. So you don't want to rinse, you want to leave this on the skin. Now what I have done beforehand was prepared my neutralizer, which is 1 cup cool water and 1 teaspoon baking soda mixed in a bowl. Now the neutralizer stops the acid from furthering exfoliating the skin. So baking soda is an alkaline substance, and when dissolved in water, it creates a solution to help buffer the acid base balance in the body, returning to the equilibrium. Now it's time for the lactic acid peel to take center stage to grab your attention. I have applied a generous amount of 20% lactic lightening peel with a fan brush. Sorry, I do not have the visual to show you this step because my battery died in the phone, so it's quite embarrassing, but I have to move on with this video. The timing for a lactic acid peel typically begins from the moment the peel is applied to skin, and as this is when the exfoliation process begins, it's crucial to monitor the time carefully to avoid irritation. Always check on your client. Apply the lactic peel evenly to the face, avoiding sensitive areas like the eyes and the lips, and have your client pay close attention to any tingling or stinging sensations. If client feels any excessive discomfort, rinse the peel off immediately. And once the desired time is reached, neutralize the peel with the post-peel solution with a 4x4 gauze. Do not reuse the same gauze. SkinScript recommends the 3-pass technique. So saturate the gauze into the solution and remove the peeling agent from the client's face. Don't go over the client's face repeatedly with the same gauze. Keep your eyes on the client's skin to look for areas developing any redness. Repeat the neutralizing steps 2 more times, and you can't neutralize too much, just too little. So ask the client if they feel any tingling sensation or stinging. If all is well, protect the skin by applying sheer protection SPF 30 only. You want to protect the newly revealed skin from sun damage. Lactic acid removes the top layer of skin, making the skin underneath more vulnerable to sun damage. The peel makes your skin more sensitive to UV rays, and protected sun exposure can reverse the peel's benefits and leads to hyperpigmentation. Provide your client with post-care instructions. Post-care should be approximately 7 to 10 days until skin has healed and completely healed from peeling. Days 1 and 2 are gently cleansing with cool water twice a day. Keep the skin well hydrated, preferably with SkinScript Cactine Balancing Moisturizer. Avoid heat and limit your sun exposure, including hot showers, saunas, and strenuous exercise. Avoid picking your skin, okay? And days 3 and 5, you use a gentle cleanser like SkinScript green tea, citrus cleanser, or Cetaphil twice a day. Moisturize and sunscreen, and you will not have peeling with lactic acid. So if it's if you do have any peeling, it would be micro peeling, very micro, something that you really can't see. And day 6 through 10, return to normal cleansing. Gradually introduce a gentle cleanser. Sunscreen is still crucial, and book your appointment for your next series. So following the post-care instructions can help you ensure a smooth healing process and maximize the benefits of your SkinScript Lactic Acid Lightening Peel. So I will be at the end of this video giving you the contraindications and the post care so you can have that. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions or comments, or you would like to share your thoughts, please place them in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye for now. Thank you.